Okay, dear performance management students, I'm Abeel Ahmed, performance management expert. In today's concept building video and practice video, I will be discussing two questions, and both of them I've taken from Study Hub, and they are on CVP analysis. Let's dive into the questions. Okay. If Morva wishes to generate a profit of $11,000, how many units must be sold? Look at this. Morva is having a wish to generate profit of 11,000 units. Now they're asking how many units should be sold. It means that you should know the formula of target sales, target units. How do we calculate target sales units? Simply is equal to fixed cost plus the target profit. Target profit divided by contribution per unit, divided by contribution per unit. Simple. Target sales units, they are equal to fixed cost plus target profit divided by contribution per unit. And we know that contribution is selling price minus variable cost per unit. Let's see. Morava company produces a product which has a variable cost 28, selling price 39, variable cost 28. That gives us a contribution of 11 per unit. Wow. Budgeted sales and production volume next month is 18,000 units. Budgeted fixed cost, they have given us 1,21,000. Look at this. Budgeted fixed cost is 1,21,000. Target profit is 11,000. Contribution per unit is 11. So it means 121 plus 11, plus 11. In the numerator, students, I'm having 1,32,000 divided by 11. So target sales units, I'm having 12,000. So target sales units are 12,000. In order to generate the target profit of $11,000, you should be selling 12,000 units, which means choice A, no, B, no, C, no, D is the right answer. Delta is the right answer. Let's go to the next one. Okay, students. Majority of the students, they don't like graphs, I believe. Just a minute. Which line represents total variable cost? They have given us a graph, okay? The break-even chart is, let's say, in front of us. But the examiner is asking which line is representing variable cost. First of all, student, you should be having a very good understanding regarding, of course, variable cost. Actually, your variable cost is having a direct link with the operating activity level. If you will be producing 1 unit, you will have to bear the variable cost of 1 unit. If you are producing 2 units, you will be bearing the variable cost of 2 units. If you're not producing anything, you are not bearing the variable cost at all. Which means that logically, the line of the variable cost will start from origin. When I'm not producing any units, so I'm not bearing any variable cost. Okay. So the variable cost line will start from origin. And logically, that line which starts from origin, one is variable cost, another line is the total revenue. Of course, the total revenue line also start from origin. Now let's come here. This is the origin. If you look at the D, actually this line D is representing the fixed cost. And the line which is starting over and from the fixed cost onwards, B, this is actually representing total cost. When we say total cost means fixed cost plus variable cost, but the examiner is not asking us total cost line, fixed cost. Examiner is asking us the variable cost line. Okay. Now, obviously, number one, the variable cost starts from origin. Second, the variable cost. Now look at this. B is total cost. D is fixed cost. Logically, the A at the top, that is representing the total revenue. From the origin, we can see that there are two lines. One is A, another is C. Logically, between the total cost and the fixed cost, you will have variable cost. Between total cost line and fixed cost line, you will be having a variable cost line. So logically, C is variable cost. So line C represents variable cost, line A represents total revenue, B represents total cost, D represents fixed cost. Definitely the answer is C. Let's see. Yes, we have. And what study up people have done, let's see that. There is also C. Great. And PM students, don't forget to get benefit from Abeel School of Accountancy crash course if you are planning a June attempt. Okay, I'm particularly focusing on June 26 attempt. Abeel School of Accountancy is offering a free 100% free crash course, and in this PM crash course we'll be working on your concept building, and plus we'll be taking almost every question from the study hub. So thank you very much for watching this concept building video plus a practice video on PM. And let me tell you one more thing. When it comes to performance management entire course at Abeel School of Accountancy, the good thing is our each lecture is just 40 to 45 minutes long, not longer than that. In the market, you will find one lecture around 2 hours. And I strongly believe students, they don't watch 2 hours lecture. Our lecture, each lecture is just 40 to 45 minutes long, not more than that. And plus the good part is just within 60 hours, 60, the entire course of PM gets completed. So to complete the entire PM course with each and everything, you just need 60 hours. After that, you'll be spending 10 to 15 hours on practice videos. So the way we have developed the course, that is something which is doable. Plus, Abeel School of Accountancy offers you the best WhatsApp support. We normally resolve your queries within 3 to 5 minutes, and all of your queries are resolved by the tutor. We do not keep any teacher assistant. And whenever you are going to reply, you will be getting the answer from the tutor. We do not reply any, I would say, automatic messages to tell the student there's a long queue of the student. They are asking question, your number will turn out. No. We don't do that. We reply to your queries within 3 to 5 minutes. And we will give you long notes as well as short notes. Plus, we do conduct your mock as well, and I'm going to personally check that mock, and you will be getting a personalized feedback. So students, what are you waiting for? The lectures are smart. Within a, I would say, concise period of time, you can cover each and everything. So far in PM, the highest marks taken by one of my students, they are 85 marks. Obviously, everyone is not after getting 90 or 95 marks. Majority of us, or at least every one of us, at least we need 50 marks. So student, the process which we have developed, if you follow our process, you are going to very easily, I would say, cross that benchmark of 50 marks. But all you need is follow our planner, which we provide you from the day one, and you just need to follow that. Thank you very much for watching and listening all the messages. Thank you very, very much.